to see your face.
I look
See,
pathetic.
cute. You do not look pathetic. Come on. Not at all. Not at all.
अरे I was saying something, I forgot. वो तो we'll talk रात को.
Yeah, I know what you're going to say.
No, no, no.
Okay, wait. Someone asked me,
Yeah.
Zala, that why are you unnecessarily
Targeting
targeting
Akansha on your
Yeah.
stories. So first of all, thank you for putting that like ahead. I'll tell one thing. I have never said that I and Akansha had a bad bond inside the show or outside the show. Secondly, I'm not targeting her unnecessarily. Her fans are targeting me unnecessarily on every post, every other post, and that is ridiculous. Please don't tag us, tag Akansha. Third, when things are happening wrong with us, everybody was with her at that point of time. We felt bad because whatever Ruru Yogesh wala scene happened, we were also there. We've spoken that about on podcasts and everywhere. And then the same thing is happening with me, but that's not being highlighted. Second, after that, one more thing is there that she's saying she put a story like Zalak is hypocrite. Hi Zalak Gohil. Whatever that Zalak खुद तो आयुष के साथ चली गई. So, ma'am, you were aware about it. I went to the Oracle because we all strategized that. Because we knew that Mayor Ayush nahi banenge. We did not want Tame and Sajaf to become an ideal match. And that was the whole strategy of the whole alliance. So now you're portraying it something ki Zalak to khud bina Gauresh ke chali gayi and all. That's pretty wrong. It's better don't say it. And maybe jab aage, I don't want to give spoiler whatever's happening. People are just targeting me like posting stories about कि Zalak के बारे में भी थोड़ा sorry feel करो, and that's the only thing I'm also saying. It's not only Akansha who's felt bad. Okay, there are other people also in the show who are feeling bad about something happening with them. That's it. I have no interest in targeting Akansha's fans or Akansha. She's doing very well in her life. I wish she does more. But just don't target us when we're doing nothing harm to her. And please stop tagging Preet and any other people you're tagging in Akansha's post. We're least interested. Period.
Yeah, that's what I came live for. Like, I'm done seeing someone else's post. Like, why would I get? I don't want to listen to what is happening in their lives. I literally do not want to be a part of them. इसलिए बस I just came live to tell them that do not tag me on their post, on Gaurish's post, or someone else's, or Akanksha's post, or whatever. I don't like have a problem with her anyways, but still, like,
Nobody
just do not.
has. But it's like some nikal rahe bahar. For what? Zabardasti.
That, I mean, because I don't want to fall in between, like, what's going on. लाइक कोई किसी के बारे में बोल रहा है, कोई कुछ कह रहा है, अनुष्का किसी के बारे में बोल रही है, ये सुजैन किसी के बारे में बोल रही है, कुछ कुछ बोली चले ही जा रहा है, चले ही जा रहा है. I feel that Splitsvilla is actually happening outside, like
Yeah,
because
it does.
inside सब देखा जाए तो ठीक ही थे एक दूसरे के साथ. Don't you
वही तो
feel?
बोल रही हूँ. उस दिन मैं पॉडकास्ट में वही बोल के आई कि भैया अंदर तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं ऐसा. Not even 1% of this. And outside it's
है
like
ना?
so much.
और नहीं तो क्या. बाकी like who cares, like वो करने दे उसको जो करना है. And let her fans do whatever they want to do. But then tagging us means like what? Nothing.
See, fans are meant to protect. Fans are meant to, shower love,
For
show hate
sure.
also. Do it. It's fine. But the people who are targeting me, you don't know. It is so depressing since days. इतना गंदा गंदा बोल रहे, इतना गंदा गंदा चीज है. मतलब I can't even tell you on my parents, on
So
whatever.
someone texted, you all started targeting Akanksha first and now she's replying. Targeting how? Do you have the proof that we targeted Akanksha? Do you have it? If you have it, please do share and tag us on that. Okay? Or do you have any proof that I did target her or whatever, or Zalak did separately target her or whatever? जब Zalak की बात आई,
They all.
गौरेश जब पहले
Hmm.
गौरेश ने चेंज किया था, तभी Zalak ने ये बोला था, I will not question Akanksha, I will
Exactly.
question Gauresh.
But Suzanne started all of
So
this,
that's how you do
stating
it.
the pig thing and then the picture thing. So please, if you want, Suzanne is the one who started all of this. Don't put it on us. Sorry. Are you about to
Did we
reach?
ever put like a story on Instagram? Would I? No. I
No,
don't even
bro. I don't
care.
even have a picture.
Like, I don't
I
care
just have
about
one
what's
video.
happening of these people. I do not care.
Never mind. We'll gossip tonight.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Are GZ dating?
No, guys, we're not. We're still seeing, figuring things out. Things are
Someone wrote
different.
Susie बहुत तेज है. Then someone wrote fuck Suzanne. Let's go.
Whatever Suzanne does is fine. That's girls. Whatever we are doing is Suwar Ka Jhund or Bully Gang. What is the math? Tell me.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Rest. What are we doing tonight?
Get done with your
Someone
podcast
will
and call
please,
me.
please stay out of it. I am out of
Good,
it, and I
good.
will always. I'm not in this fake ass drama where people just like act on each other. I'm not like that, and I will not be. If someone is coming up about me, I will give it back. Other than that, I really do not care what's happening and what's going on.
Perfect. Have fun. Enjoy your podcast. अबे तो 6:30 हो गए. कितने बजे का था?
था तो 6 बजे का,
6
बट
बजे
मैंने
का.
मैसेज किया कि मैं अब थोड़ी लेट हूँ यार, मैं लेट हो गई.
नहीं तू नहीं. ट्रैफिक है ना बहुत. तो तू लेट नहीं है. ट्रैफिक जल्दी है.
ट्रैफिक भी है यार, बट मैं लेट भी हो गई. मैं निकली वहां से 6:12.
कितने बजे तक खत्म होगा? 8, 9. 8 तो हो ही जाएगा. 9.
I think
9.
yeah, most probably. Like it'll take 2 hours.
रात को
You're
पिकल
staying
खेलना
with
है.
me tonight.
पिकल खेलना है. मैं तो खेल ही नहीं सकती. मैं तो पैर गया हुआ है.
ओह, कह रही है पिकल खेलना है.
अरे नो. मिली एंड खुश वर आस्किंग पिकल के लिए. हम लाइक मैं आके तुम्हारे लिए पानी का बॉटल रखूंगी. गेटोरेड.
I mean, I don't
गेटोरेड.
mind it. Yeah, I don't mind playing.
या they were saying.
I don't mind playing.
Yeah, perfect
But
then.
girl,
Let me
let
ask
us
them.
work.
I'll try. I was just moving yesterday dancing. The swollen, it's a little better than yesterday. It's not swollen that much, but it is. Batata vada lag raha
Yeah.
hai.
So
Yeah,
can we
yes.
like can we do something else? Can we go and dance or something?
Are you mad? With a broken leg, I can't dance. Look at the way I'm
But you
walking.
dance, you said you danced yesterday, bro.
I was moving yesterday because I had to stretch. No, I was in the same situation and same position continuously.
Yeah. I asked Kyra where is she tonight, like if she wants to meet.
What is she? What did she say?
She didn't reply yet, but I think she will.
Hmm.
Someone is writing, Preet, why are you so biased? Bro, Zalak was the one who started putting stories about Akanksha, defaming her, and now playing sympathy.
Don't say. I started putting stories, not defaming her, but putting those stories about people who were supporting me. There's a difference. Understand this part.
Hmm.
Why would I not? If there are people who understand my situation, I did not ever say anything to Akansha, even on the show. Like, bro, outside the show, we were super cool. Out of nowhere, all of this happened. So, fuck it.
But
I'm
what
saying,
happened? I still don't know, bro. I still don't know.
I'll tell you tonight. Tonight is a gossip sesh. I just told my mom I'm not coming home. She's like, okay. I'm like, yeah. I was saying, ki, tomorrow you have your shoot. At what time?
At 5.
Because tomorrow there's an event again. Tell me if you want to come. There's
When?
only,
When?
it's somewhere in Andheri. It's a Swiss Beauty event.
Tomorrow? You said 27, no?
No, Swiss Beauty is tomorrow, 27th. Oh, we're going, no?
What time?
Tomorrow is at
2. No, I'll be busy. I am probably starting my workout from tomorrow. I will change this place, go to my house, keep my bag, eat a meal, and then go work out.
1 second. Today, where are we going then? Your place or?
My BNB. BNB.
Why?
Because I'm here today. Because it'll be too late to go home and then get all this chadar, kambal, and all this shit. So tomorrow.
अच्छा ठीक है. So tomorrow is a good day for tomorrow's Ram Navami, no? So it's better you shift tomorrow only,
Tomorrow is
and
Thursday
we'll do
also.
the
So
puja also tomorrow.
है ना?
Mama also told me the same thing.
Bye.
Bye.